Hi everyone. Welcome back to RS Computer Solutions. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to clean install Windows 11 without a USB drive. Open a browser and visit this site. Go to the official Microsoft website. Choose Download Windows 11 Disk Image. Click Download. Choose your language and confirm. Click the 64-bit download button. Download process running. Download complete. Open Computer Disk Management. Wait for it to load the list of drives. Locate drive C, right-click on C, and select Shrink Volume. Enter the amount of space to shrink 8 GB. Click Shrink and wait for it to complete. Find the unallocated space in Disk Management. Right-click it and select New Simple Volume. Click Next, assign a drive letter E. Choose NTFS as the file system, name the drive Windows 11 installer and click Finish. Verify the new partition. Open File Explorer and confirm the new drive appears. And that's it, you've successfully created a new partition. Right-click on Windows 11 ISO and mount. Copy all files and paste them to the newly created partition. Now go to Settings, click System, and click Recovery. Now go to Advanced Status, click Restart Now. After restart, click Troubleshoot, click Advance option. Click Command Prompt. Type diskpart command. Press Enter to launch the disk partitioning tool. Type list volume, and now show all volumes on your PC. Type Exit and press Enter. Now go to Drive E and type Setup EXE. Installation process running. Please follow these steps for installing Windows 11. Now, once you complete the basic settings, the Windows installation will be complete. And that's it. You've successfully installed Windows 11 without a USB drive. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thank you.